Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic tool for anyone who needs precise measurements on the go, the Leica DISTO D1 Bluetooth Laser Distance Measure. We found this product online and added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The Leica DISTO D1 is a compact and easy-to-use laser distance measure designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. This device boasts a maximum working range of 130 feet, or 40 meters, making it an ideal companion for various measuring tasks, whether you're indoors or outdoors. Let's talk about some of the standout features of the DISTO D1. First off, it operates with a Class 2 laser that has a 1 mW output. This ensures that you can take accurate measurements without the worry of excessive laser exposure. In terms of precision, this unit meets the high accuracy standards set by the Leica DISTO family, maintaining an impressive accuracy of plus or minus 1/16 inch, or 2 millimeters. This level of precision is crucial for tasks that require exact measurements, such as construction or interior design. One of the most user-friendly aspects of the DISTO D1 is its simple 2-button operation. Yes, you heard that right. You don't need to be a tech whiz to get the hang of this device. The straightforward design means you can start measuring right away, making it an efficient tool for anyone who needs to get the job done quickly without sacrificing quality. Another remarkable feature of this device is its Bluetooth 4.0 connectivity. This allows you to seamlessly integrate it with various applications, including the free Leica DISTO Sketch app available on both iOS and Android. With this app, you can create simple floor plans, overlay lines, and even add measurements right onto images. This makes it incredibly handy for organizing your work in the field, whether you're sketching out a new room layout or tracking project progress on site. So, who is the Leica DISTO D1 suitable for? Its blend of simplicity and professional quality makes it perfect for a range of users. If you're a contractor, architect, or interior designer, this laser distance measure can quickly become an essential part of your toolkit. However, it's also great for homeowners or DIY enthusiasts who want to take accurate measurements for home improvement projects. Its lightweight design means you can easily carry it around, making it convenient for anyone who needs to measure spaces quickly and accurately. Now let's look at some practical use cases. Imagine you're planning to renovate your kitchen. You need to know the dimensions of your space to purchase the right cabinets or countertops. The DISTO D1 allows you to measure the length and width of your kitchen with just a push of a button. If you're an architect, you can use the device to measure distances between walls, ensuring your designs will fit perfectly. And for real estate agents, this tool can help you quickly measure rooms during property showings, providing accurate data to clients on the spot. In conclusion, the Leica DISTO D1 Bluetooth Laser Distance Measure is a versatile and essential tool for anyone who values accuracy and efficiency in their measuring tasks. Whether you're a professional in the field or simply someone who enjoys tackling home projects, this device will serve you well. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.